हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं किन्नर आज आपको एक थ्योरम प्रूफ करवाऊंगा जो स्टैंडर्ड 10 का है और एक पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट आप देख लीजिए। फर्स्ट गिवन है इन a right triangle the squares of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. It means triangle should be right, a square of hypotenuse, sum of the squares of other two sides, and at last it is equal. So for this, at first we have to take one triangle, that is right angle triangle ABC, and given a triangle ABC is right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 90 degree. And to prove from the statement that is 90 degree, it means at first we have to understand the triangle. It is right angle triangle where angle V will be 90 degree, but when we see in front of angle V, that is right angle, it is the longest side. It means it is hypotenuse. Longest side of any right angle triangle will be hypotenuse, and it is a vertically, it is the horizontal lines, so it is a perpendicular to the base. So Pythagoras says the square of hypotenuse is meant AC square equal to the sum of its two other sides a square. It means AB square plus BC square. At last we can write here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction. What is required? It means we can draw a perpendicular on AC. It is D. Draw BD perpendicular AC. Proof. Friends, at first we have to see the condition. What we have to prove? It is LHS, it is RHS. It is AB square. So at first, for finding this from this figure where it is AB square, and from this figure how can we get? At first we have to see the figure one by one. It means it is AB. It falls under this triangle ADB and ABC also AB. So we can write here in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. ADB, it means angle A, and ABC angle A. So angle A equal to angle A. It is common. And second, it is 90 degree in triangle ADB, and ABC B is 90 degree. It means angle ADB equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. It's 90 degree. So triangle ADB, at first we write this similar. A is the first place, so A, and this is 90 degree from the figure. So here in this triangle ABC, B is 90 degree, B, and what is left? Only C. So C will be at last. It is must for understanding how can we write the two triangle in the form of similar triangle. So we have to fix at this place. We can write any name of triangles, but here we have to understand what is it in first, what is it in middle, what is it in at last. By AA similarity. Now also we know that in any two triangles that is similar, then its corresponding side also be equal in the form of ratio. So at last we have to write what we have required. At first in triangle AD and in this triangle AB equal to in this triangle AB, what is required, we take that, and in this triangle AC, like this, after cross multiplication, but by from CPST, congruence part of similar triangles. It means AB into AB equal to AD into AC. AB square equal to AD into AC, equation number 1. Now, for finding BC square here, so BC square is here in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Also we can write in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, what is common? Angle C. In triangle BDC and ABC in angle C, it is common. Angle C equal to angle C, common. And angle BDC, here it is 90 and it is also 90. Angle BDC equal to angle ABC 90 degree. And from first triangle BDC similar triangle ABC by AA similarity is equal. Now we can write here BD by BC by AC and DC by BC. It is DC by BC by CPST, congruence part of similar triangles. Now we have to multiply BC into BC equal to AC into DC. It means BC square equal to AC into DC, equation number 2. But from the result we can understand from the RHS, I will write here 8 equation 1 and equation 2. From this AB square plus BC square equal to AD into AC plus AC into DC. AD, it means AC is common. AC in brackets AD plus DC, and from the figure we can understand AD, it is the part, and DC is also the part. When it will be added, it gives AC. It means AC into AC equal to AC square, and from here it will be AB square plus BC square. So it is the result that we have to find. We have to highlight it, this result, and here we can write hence proved. I hope हमारा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. तो don't never forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can find the notification of our upcoming videos related with math and science. Thanks a lot.